Welcome back, everybody. The topic for today is: would world be a better place with more women in charge? With us, we have Pulkit Bansal today. Let's hear what his thoughts are. Hello, Pulkit.
Hello, Chavi.
What do you think your thoughts are?
In my opinion, world would definitely be a better place if more women were involved because women usually bring empathy, collaborativeness, and long-term focused vision in the leadership. So if they are in a leadership role in a company or an organization, it will obviously lead to the betterment of the organization, both in the terms of goal building as well as in the terms of employee satisfaction.
Since you spoke about empathy, Pulkit, do you think mixing empathy with leadership, because women usually bring up more empathy, do you think bringing empathy to leadership is a good thing?
It's obviously a good thing because empathy does not mean getting carried away by emotions. Empathy usually brings inclusiveness in the decision making process, and when this inclusiveness in the decision making process, it leads to satisfaction of everyone in the company, in the organization. It brings a good harmony between the employees of the company.
Well, that's very good. If I could ask you some examples of real life, where you think that women have actually brought some change or made things better in today's world, who would you quote?
There are many examples of women leaders in current society. In India, we have our president of India is a woman. We have finance minister Nirmala Sitharaman, as well as in the sports we have a women's cricket team. Our own captain Smriti Mandhana had us win the World Cup this year. So there are many examples where being a woman leader has brought changes in the society.
That's a few are like, some of them are like such great examples and something what we have been seeing in news repetitively these days, especially Smriti Mandhana. Cheers to the women's team for winning the World Cup after so many years. Now every time this topic comes up anywhere, people usually think that it is, men versus women or women taking up men's roles. So what do you think? What are your thoughts about that?
It's not about women replacing man, or there's not a competition between men and women. It's about women and men working together towards a common goal. Because when men and women work together, they usually it leads to inclusiveness within the organization. And when there's inclusiveness in the organization, there's obviously a better decision process. There are obviously better decisions taken.
So what do you mean to say is it's not women in place of men, but women joining men? Am I right?
Obviously, that is the point in today's world. Because if there is an inclusiveness in the organization, it will obviously lead to a better organization.
What value do you think women bring to leadership, in your opinion?
In my opinion, women bring a quality of values in the leadership, but the most unique value which I think women bring in the leadership is collaborativeness, because collaborativeness gives birth to inclusiveness. And when there is a collaboration, when everyone is involved in the decision making process, it will obviously lead to employee satisfaction, better harmony between the company, and obviously when there are multiple voices speaking towards a decision, and so there will be diversification in the decision, and decision would be better rather than a single person making the decision.
Definitely. Totally agree to what you said. Another thing that I wanted to ask was, do you think, leadership roles or qualities depend upon gender or personalities and upbringing of a person?
Obviously, personality is an upbringing, because a gender can't define what you are and what you are doing. For example, if there is a male, but he has a rude personality or an arrogant personality, he doesn't fit to be a leader. But if she's a female, she has a good personality, she likes to work with people, she likes to take an opinion of everyone, then obviously she's a better leader than the man any day.
Definitely. I think everything that you said today was quite insightful and quite interesting. Something a woman would definitely want to hear from today's leaders and everything. After all the backlashes women have faced for past, I don't know, decades and centuries and everything. So it's good to see how people and how leaders or how today's generation is evolving to these ideas and everything. So before we end today's topic and everything, I want to ask you one last thing. Do you truly believe that women would make a change in the position of leadership?
Obviously, if there are more women in the leadership position, it will obviously benefit the organization, because women, in my opinion, brings empathy, brings collaborativeness. They focus on the long-term vision, which every company needs in today's time. Because if you don't have a long-term vision, if you don't have collaboration between your employees, or if you don't have empathy between your employees, you can't function as a team. It will only work as a machine, and that organization needs to work as a team, not as a machine.
Thank you so much, Pulkit. It was truly insightful talking to you.
Thank you so much, Chavi, to you.
Thank you.